Hello friends, hope you are doing good. I'm going to review the FM radio which has alarm and FM and AM in it. It has a LCD screen which clearly displays the time and the frequency, and it has a LED light which is very useful. The alarm symbol indicates that your alarm has been set. Okay. So to set the alarm, just select the preset button and increase the timing with these buttons. You can set the time format like 12 hours and 24 hours as well. Okay. To set the FM, you have to turn on. It automatically scans all the channels. To set the all channels, select the preset button and hold. It can hold up to 20 channels and the clarity is awesome. You can increase the volume using these buttons. You can increase up to the limit 30.
Don't you know she's got bad taste? Shut up, little brother, before I teach you some manners.
Listen
Right
to
after
clarity.
Maria and I married, I started after class. Ladies and gentlemen.
This is a stereo FM. You can see the symbol ST. That means stereo is on now. To set the stereo, just press this button. Stereo on, stereo off.
All about them and everything they do. Just search CMT Cody. All those years ago, if anything,
You can change from
they
FM
carry
to
greater
AM
weight
by
as our
selecting
society
this
has
button.
become increasingly lost. The customer areas are clean and well organized. For all nice and enjoyable ways of celebrating, we need to make sure that the real purpose and spirit of Christmas is
There's
not
a
lost
feature
in
to
the
lock
flurry of
these
activities.
buttons.
By having the
Just
proper
press and
mindset,
hold
we
this
can
button,
find and
mode
give
button.
to others a gift of far more value than any store-bought
Now
present.
it
The
is
gift
locked,
of hope.
so if you
I
press
wish you
any
and
button,
yours a
it will
Merry
not
Christmas
affect.
and a Happy New Year. 'Twas the night before wildlife.
To unlock, just press and hold.
Creatures were decorating just for you with 3 million bulbs and
You can
displays that
set
glow.
your
There was much to be done
headset
before
here,
the big show. Rhinos were
and the
happily
clarity is
making
awesome.
beats.
And
Monkeys
also you can
danced
use
around the
this
ski
with
ring.
an adapter,
Penguins had ornaments
power adapter,
perfectly placed.
but it
The
doesn't come
highest
with a
notes
power
on
adapter.
my big head.
It works with a AAA batteries.
The shining star on top of the tree. Till Santa showed up.
It is
and
very
said with
handy
a laugh,
and lightweight.
"Looks like a job
It's a
for
portable
Mr. Ram."
FM.
The tradition continues.
It has a handle so you can catch it like here, like this.
November 18th through January 1st. Efficiently powered by AEP Ohio. Get discount tickets at Kroger. And Santa. To protect him from the danger and evil we committed.
The alarm symbol will be displayed here. So you can say the alarm is on. To set the alarm, just turn off the radio and set the pre-select button. Now you have to select the hours. and now it's set for 7:50 p.m. Thank you.